I'm Maggie from Pintuck and Purl, and today we are unboxing the L890, which is Bernina's newest cover stitch and serger machine. So let's see what's inside. Pop the box open. Okay, as a dealer, can I just tell you that this is amazing? It's a little diagram to tell you how to rebox your machine. Okay, so what we have the soft cover that you're going to use when you're not using your machine. We have our very bulky, very big manual that's going to tell you how to do all that. There's also a little quick start guide in there as well. A whole box of serger thread from Mettler. I'm going to pull that out. We have our free arm. Guys, this has a free arm, so you can like pull it off and put tiny projects over the free arm like you can on your sewing machine. This for me is the reason why I love it. We have the cover stitch converter, so when you want to change to cover stitch over serging. We have the Bernina presser foot pedal. If you have a Bernina, you'll recognize this. It's the same one. As well as the power cord. So if you already own a Bernina, maybe you have a 790 at home, you can just have one set of power cords if you wanted to switch between the two, or your foot pedal swapping between the two, which is pretty great. We have our cut-off bin, which everyone knows and loves. We have our, again, freehand system for a Bernina. So this is on a serger. If you guys don't have a freehand system on your serger, you guys are missing out on a lot. Okay, that's level one. I'm gonna take this crazy styrofoam out. Woo! I hope I can lift this. Okay, so we have two tins in here. The first one has, you want me to pull this all out, right? Needles. I'm gonna run out of room. We have our spool caps, your traditional like large spool caps. We got 4 of those. We have our spool cones, right, to make sure that the cones stay nice and snug on your machine. We have 5 of those. Oh, I missed one. So we have 5 of each of these, the spool caps and the spool cones. We have our machine serger oil. We have thread nuts. I'm assuming there's 5. I'm not going to count them, but I'm assuming there's 5. We have this little guy to help doing manual threading on the air threader. And we have a seam guide, a right seam guide for extra precise sewing. And this cute tin, right? I want that. Okay, I don't know if I can get this out without taking this machine out. We have another cute tin. It's in here. So we have our cover stitch foot. So you're going to change your presser foot when you go to cover stitching. You have your stylus, because I don't know if you guys have seen, this has a screen on it, like an actual screen that you can touch stuff, like the 790 or the 590. We have this cool tool for when you're doing cover stitch to pull the threads toward to lock the stitch. And then we have our screwdriver to change the needle. Okay, I'm going to pull this baby out. I don't know where I'm going to put it, but I'm going to pull it out. Are you ready? So here is the machine. It's got some styrofoam stuck in the top. Oh, and perfect. We have this. The table. There's nothing else in there. Okay, so now we have the whole machine out. And remember, this is the L890 serger cover stitch from Bernina. This is one of their newest machines. So we've unboxed everything, but we didn't even talk about the fact that this is an air threader. So you don't have to do all that crazy threading. All you have to do is pop these 2 in here. This is if you want to do cover stitch, and it just, by air, threads it for you. We're gonna have some videos on that as well. You can check when they might already be up. But yeah, so you get everything here along with guide classes so you know how to use it. This beautiful screen. This by far is the most powerful, impressive serger and cover stitch on the market these days. All right, guys. Call, send us a direct message, send us an email. Hope to see you soon.